Hi, everybody. I'm going to talk today about my lesson plan. It's called Shape Detectives on the Case. It's an activity for first and second graders. It's to help them identify and learn the properties of different 2D shapes. If you look at the lesson plan, there is a sheet. The second page is the missing shapes list, and how the lesson works is that each student will get a missing shape list, and it's their job to find examples of the shapes in the classroom that match the shapes on their list. And for each shape, they will find one example. They'll draw the object or what they found. They will describe the shape, and then they'll name it. So, for example, they'll look at triangle. They'll find something in the classroom that is a triangle or has triangles on it. So the teacher's wearing a shirt with triangles on it. They'll describe it. And for example, a triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 points. It's not round. Anything that they can think of. And they'll name the shape, triangle. And the lesson is over when the students have all completed their 7 shapes. The teacher is a pretty big part of this lesson because at this grade level, I think that kids will need some assistance really with the descriptions. You know, a rectangle has 4 sides. It's different from a square because 2 sides are longer than the other 2, so on and so forth. So the goal is really to get kids to understand the difference between different types of 2D shapes and remember the names. Another big part of this lesson is for the teacher to go through beforehand and go through their classroom and make sure that those 7 shapes are somewhere in the classroom, or they can bring some objects from home. If they aren't in the classroom, they can bring some from home and place them around the classroom. Not in plain sight, but it's not really a hide and seek game either. It's more about finding the shapes and describing them. And so hopefully by the end of this lesson, students will understand what is a triangle, and they'll be able to identify a triangle in, everyday life, or a circle, or octagon, and they'll remember. This will help them remember the properties of shapes. This lesson is nice too because it's flexible. It's an easy lesson for a substitute to do. It's also can be expanded for a longer lesson. Or maybe shortened or simplified for a younger set of students. And you can do prizes if you want. Whoever finds all the shapes first gets a prize. But if you don't want it to be a competition type of situation, then you don't need the prizes. Students can work together. So it leaves itself open to a lot of interpretation and some adaptability, which I think would work really well. And that's about it. I appreciate everybody watching the video, and sorry I couldn't be there. And good luck to everybody. Thank you.